Pak, ini kalau buat bibit bagus nggak Pak? Tapi nggak bisa turun nggak? Iya. Kita ketawa terus nih.
Ini hati udah ngebidik kayak ya.
Bidik, kan itu loh. Saya itu baginya bidik hujan, bugar.
Merger.
Oke, itu talingan na Jo. Ya. Oke, itu talingan na. Woi, dan tamal. Ah. Woi.
Kalau bisa Pak ya.
Oke, rolling.
Pak Toban bisa cerita sedikit kebiasaan warga yang mengadu kerbau ini, sejarahnya singkat ya?
Pengaduan kerbau itu karena sudah tradisi ya. Jadi setiap ada upacara yang besar begitu, itu memang cukup banyak kerbau yang dipelihara. Dan kerbau itu karena sudah terpelihara secara baik ya juga kalau diadu cukup seru.
Bisa cerita Pak, sekitar berapa sih uang yang dipertaruhkan penonton biasanya maupun si pemilik kerbau Pak?
Secara resminya dilarang ya, sekarang itu sama sekali tidak ada. Tapi biasanya yang baru-baru ini terjadi ya, sekitar tanggal 23-24 yang lalu itu yang ada yang sampai taruhan 5 juta. Nah, ini saya nggak tahu ya, tapi selain yang pemilik sendiri, penonton itu juga saling bertaruh.
Dan biasanya gimana sih caranya untuk membuat kerbau itu bisa jago gitu, bisa pemenang? Apa caranya?
Sebenarnya tergantung dari pemeliharaan. Jadi kalau dipelihara secara baik, dia gemuk. Jadi sejak dulu itu dipelihara, orang bahkan mengatakan lebih sayang kerbaunya daripada istrinya. Nah, karena sampai malam-malam itu kerbau masih dikasih makan sampai kenyang. Sudah kalau siang, pagi sekitar jam 9 kalau kenyang, itu dibawa ke sungai, direndam. Nah, jam 2 atau jam 3 baru harus keluar. Dikeringkan, sudah itu baru dikasih makan. Jadi dipelihara benar-benar secara intensif.
Makasih Pak.
Baik, terima kasih. Indosiar.
Yang bulat ini Pak.
Ya.
Lari masuk nih ekstasi daripada biaya nih.
Jom tadi tuh.
Ya.
Ini jambu bisa dipatahin itu jambu. Ton bisa jambu patahin itu ujungnya Ton. Ini Ton, nggak boleh. Itu bagus itu. Ngobrolnya berapa kali, Tom?
Festival so this month. Why you choose here? And do you think this is very interesting for you to have seen the bullfight, something like this?
It's extremely fascinating because it's so different than in our country. You know, there's much life and celebration, and I think funerals in America are all sad. And I know you have much sadness and grieving here, but you also have joy and happiness and celebration. So it's very interesting to us to see it, and the people have been very kind to us when we were here, so we appreciate that.
All right. And some visitors also say that we need more good infrastructure to come to some tourist places, something like here, something like the road or any facilities. Do you think good facilities for the tourists like here?
Excellent facilities to be able to get around. Yes, we've been able to get places. It's a little difficult to get the correct information sometime where the funeral is, but other than that, the people have been very, very helpful and accommodating.
Okay, so you need more information about one event, something like this, because some visitors doesn't know about it.
Yes, it would be helpful for us if when we went to tourist information, they could tell us exactly where each funeral is each day and what day, what the program is for each day, and it would be very helpful for us.
Okay, so after you have been around in South Sulawesi, what's your opinion about our country?
Oh, it's a fantastic place. It's my second time in Indonesia, and I love coming here. I wanted to take my wife to show her how much I enjoyed it.
Okay, and after finish, how many days you will spend here?
We're going to spend 5 days in Toraja, and then we have to go back, but we enjoy going back by ship over the sea, in Indonesian Sea, and then we go back to Bali, and from there we go back home.
When you compare with some bullfight in Spain also, what do you think?
I've never been, but it seems very exciting. Here the bulls seem almost like they're happy and don't want to fight, and I can't blame them.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I will write down